What's cooking good looking? Well, today in this tutorial, there is a quick guide to check your Windows version and the operating system build number. And it is perfect for Windows 10 or Windows 11. So the quickest way is to do a right click in the start icon, go to run and type WinVer. WINVER, like this. Once you have typed it, click on OK, and here you will find the version 24H2 OS build and Windows 11 Home Single Language Operating System. The second method is also good. You just need to do a right click, go to Settings, and then go to System, and scroll down and go to About, and from here scroll down and you will find under Windows specification, you can see the version installed, OS build. You can copy that as well, and you can paste it somewhere. All right. So this is how you can check the Microsoft Windows version and the OS build. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.